Hi everybody, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this creative kit that I purchased from Little Rainbow Moon. Now, Little Rainbow Moon has an Instagram and a website and their own website. And basically on the website, and I am looking at this and kind of reading some parts from it, they specialize in like creative journaling. So what I purchased here is what's called a creative kit, which is a monthly themed kit focused on or aimed at budding artists and art and creative journaling. So I purchased I think this might be July or August, I don't remember, creative kit. The theme is Mystic Mountains, and basically what you can do is if the theme is available for pre-order, it'll tell you. And if it's available for pre-order, it'll say when it ships out, which is usually the middle of the month. And if the theme has already been released and it's still available, you can purchase it and they'll ship it out immediately, or whatever their kind of business turnover time frame is. So like I said, this is a creative kit. Also, the content varies each month, but one thing that does come with the kit is a bunch of different like papers and creative items that you can use in journaling. There's also handmade and hand poured watercolors, and you can get, and there's usually a set of 4 that matches the kit, and you can choose to get 1 paint or the full set of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. I'm super excited about this. So it all comes together like this. And one thing I didn't mention is that this is a shop in the UK, and I am in the United States, and it shipped out on July 25th, and I received this yesterday, which is August 9th. So for me, I feel like that's not too bad. I knew that it was going to be a little bit longer because it is coming from overseas with the delays, and I thought that was pretty good. So there is this handout or like piece of paper which gives you all the information for everything that's in the kit. So I'll just be referencing that. So this kit is all about Mystic Mountains. And the creator says that they opted for a pink, purple, gold color scheme to give it a warm, magical feel. And it's inspired by majestic and mysterious mountain scenes. So things that are in the kit, the first thing is the paint. And I had originally tried to film like a unboxing with my initial reactions, but I did it late at night and I'm not quite happy with how things turned out. So I have looked through all of this and I've already opened and swatched the watercolors. So it does come wrapped in this little packet here. And as you can see, the color, the tin that it comes in, if you get all 4, is quite small. It fits in the palm of my hand. Here's my iPhone watch just as a reference in case you're wondering. And there are 4 watercolors. What I like about the watercolors is that they do come foil wrapped. I ended up unwrapping them, and the watercolors are magnetized, and they also have the name on the side or the front of the watercolor. So I do really like that. And like I said, there's a set of 4. The tin also kind of tells you what the theme is as well. In addition, with the little packet, you have a description of the different watercolors, so you can tell the difference between them, what the hues are, what the tones are, that sort of thing. If there's any shimmer or flecks of anything in it. And then the last thing that it comes with is this little piece of watercolor paper with the names on stickers, and then it comes blank, and then you can go ahead and swatch the colors yourself. So that's what I ended up doing last night. And you can just see here kind of the shimmeriness of the 3 colors. This is Strawberry Mountain. No, I'm sorry. Strawberry Moonshine, Mountain Mist, Lilac Love, and Dark Star Violet. Dark Star Violet is the matte shade, the dark purple with the granulation. Just really, really pretty. And if I can, I'll insert footage of when I actually swatched this along with my initial thoughts on it. All right, so now to the other items. So another thing that came in the kit is the sequin mix. So I thought this was really interesting. I am not usually a big sequin person. I don't know how to use them, but what it was saying is that on the piece of paper it says, I love using flat sequins in my journal as they are easy to glue on a spread and add a touch of glamour. I've never tried that, so I'm super excited to try and include this in my Hobonichi. Probably when I go back in journal, so that way I have, you know, some paper in between where it's not like inhibiting future journaling or future writing because of the texture. But I am really kind of excited to play around with these and try them out because this is going out of my comfort zone. Another thing that we got was a washi, and this looks like it might be a 5mm washi or maybe a little bit bigger. And it just has this watercolor gradation on it, or they say watercolor granulation in coordinating colors. Here's a sample of it that I tore off when I first looked at it. In addition, you get these small journaling cards. Now they say it comes with 2. I think I accidentally got a 3rd one. This is the 3rd one. The edge is a little bit miscut on that, but like I said, it's the 3rd one, so maybe that's why they sent it. But here are the 2 journaling cards. They are cut out very nicely. They're single-sided, and this is just a, her artwork. So really pretty. You could put them together. You could keep them separate. I really like that. And I like that it's like an interesting square size. We also get 2 sticker sheets. So the stickers are on a plain matte paper. There's nothing like super special about the sticker paper. I mean, there's so many other things that, you know, I think that this is a nice kind of accompaniment, but definitely to me, it's not the focus. But it's, you're not gonna have that buttery matte paper like you do in the planner sticker paper. So this one in particular is, let me see, what does this say? This is a sheet of decorative mountain-inspired abstract triangles. They suggest using them on the to create a border for a journal page. There's also a mixed sheet as well, which has frames, circles, rectangles, squares, and then words. So here are the 2 sticker sheets. All right, so then we have the different collage elements. So the first thing that's on the top here is a piece of handmade paper. Now it does say handmade paper, but I'm not sure if the person who puts this all together, if she created this or if this is something that was purchased, and it was purchased, you know, labeled handmade. I know the watercolors are made in-house by this shop. I'm just not sure about this one because this looks like something that might be a little bit more mass-produced, but correct me if I'm wrong if you do know. Anyway, this says that it is a piece of handmade paper. The paper is made from an evergreen shrub found in the southern slopes of the Himalayas. That's what I think kind of made me think that maybe this is not handmade by the shop, but just handmade by somebody. Another thing is this tissue paper, and I do know that this tissue paper was dyed by the shop, these different colors. That is something that the shop owner posted on Instagram, that they were specifically dyeing these to match these certain colors. So you have these very beautiful like blues, turquoise colors, purple colors, in these different patterns. So I thought that was really pretty. And then we have a paper napkin. And I thought the paper napkin was really interesting because I have seen people mention using paper napkins as a collage element in their like journaling and scrapbooking, but I had never used one before because most of the napkins I get are just going to be your plain paper napkin. I don't usually get decorative ones, so I thought that this was really interesting, and I do like the pattern. It definitely fits into that mountain feel. There's a little bit more blue in it, but then you have the pink and the pop of green from the foliage. Really pretty. Here's a piece of paper with a gold paisley design. This has more of that, like, it almost feels like a wallpaper to me, but I thought that was kind of just an interesting texture, and then also design with the gold paisley. And then the last thing is this piece of vellum, and the vellum is, what does it say? It says vellum with the printed artwork. This is definitely a thicker vellum, and as you can see, here is the artwork. And I think that this is, let's see, if this is my Hobonichi cousin, which is supposed to be an A5, this is a little bit smaller than an A5. So maybe this is but this also looks bigger than a B6 as well. Let's see. I like how I have all my rulers kind of like together. So this looks like it is about 10.5 by just over 7.5 inches. If you are going by inches and centimeters, I'm not sure, you'd have to convert that. All right, so that is what I've received from Little Rainbow Moon in her creative art kit, or her creative kit with the Mystic Mountain theme. So again, really, really pretty. Super excited to try all this out. This is new territory for me, and it's not just stickers, it's like other things as well. So let me know your thoughts on this. Is this something that you would get? Oh, I forgot to mention the prices. So if you decide to get the kit only, which is all of this, no watercolors, it's 12 pounds. If you decide to get this plus one of the paints, again, here's the sizing of the paints, and get one of the paints, then it's 17 pounds. And then if you choose to get the whole set, it's 32 pounds for everything. And then I think it was 5 pounds for shipping, which for me, when I do the currency conversion, it didn't seem that bad for going overseas and being like a multi, like, it's not just a flat product, there's a little bit of thickness to it. So anyway, I'm super excited to play around with this. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I just really, really love the colors and wanted to share it with you. All right, I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.